Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. So this is the final piece of the blue, silver, black paintings that I've been doing, and as it suggests in the title, this one I'm going to be tilting. I couldn't figure out how to put the base down to make it the silver black base that I've been using. So what I did in the end, I mixed the silver and the black, came up with this lovely, it's like a graphite grey colour, and went from there.
Satin pillows on the inside, spinning gears of gold making noise, a ballerina with such poise. Too bad her porcelain heart's been broken, 'cause it's just so fragile. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start. Left in pieces where you dropped me. I don't know how you already forgot me. You ran away with no regard. We were so close, but now we're far. Too bad I'm broken from words unspoken. I just want to be cared for again. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The doll won't move and the song won't start. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbons.
Oh my goodness, I had so much fun with these and I love the way they look together. Definitely something I'll do again with different colourways, and I'm pleased to say they've all been sold. Until the next time guys, take care, stay safe. Thank you again for watching.